Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Explore. In this tutorial, we are going to assemble the power transmission components. From File, select New, then Part, then click OK. Right-click over the front plane and select Normal to. Right-click again and select Sketch. Click on Circle. Beside of the origin point, draw a circle. From same center, draw another circle. Select Center Line. From origin, draw a vertical center line. Select Smart Dimension and this diameter is 3 mm. And this one is 8 mm. The distance from the origin to center is 4.7625 mm. Then click OK. Select mirror and select these two circles and mirror about the center line. Then click OK. Now select arc, connect these two circles and place the arc as a concave form. Press Ctrl and select the arc and this circle and select tangent. Then click OK. Similarly for these two also. Create a center line connecting the center of these two circles. Then click mirror. Then select this arc. Then mirror about the center line. Then click OK. Now trim out the extra portions. Then click OK. From features, select extrude. Extrude 1 mm. Then click OK. Right click on this surface and select sketch. Now place it normal to. Select circle and from the center draw a circle. Select Smart Dimension and the diameter is 5.182 mm. Then click OK. Now go to features and extrude. We need the hole to be throughout, so at first select convert entities and select this edge. Then click OK. Now go to features and select extrude and extrude 4.3 mm. Then click OK. Now select mirror and select right plane and select this feature. Then click OK. Select reference, then plane. Select this surface and this surface. Then click OK. Now go to mirror and the plane is already selected. Then select this feature. Then click OK. Now we will add some fillet on the edge. First hide the plane. Click on fillet and select this edge. Using fillet expert window, select all of the edges. Now fillet radius is 0.25 mm. Then click on apply. Now go to appearance and select chrome plate. From file, select save as, chain inner part. Now we will create the outer part of the chain, and this is the drawing of it. From file, select new, then part, then click OK. Right click over the front plane and select normal. Right click again and select sketch, select circle. Beside of the origin point, draw a circle. From the same center, draw another circle. Select center line, connect the center of the circle and origin point, and draw a vertical center line. Now select smart dimension, and the inner diameter is 3 mm, and the outer diameter is 8 mm, and this distance is 4.7625 mm. Then click OK. Now select mirror and select these two circles and mirror about the center line. Then click OK. Now select arc and connect these two circles and make it in a concave form. Now press Ctrl and select this circle and the arc. Then click on tangent. Then click OK. Similarly for these two also. Then click on mirror and select the arc and mirror about the horizontal center line. Then click OK. Now trim out the extra portions. Now select on features and go to extrude. Now extrude 1 mm. Now select this back surface and click sketch. Now select convert entities and select this edge. Then click OK. Now go to features and select extrude. At direction 1 it's 0.25 mm, and at direction 2 it is 8.3 mm. Then click OK. Right click over the top plane and select sketch. Select line and draw a vertical line. And a horizontal line. Select smart dimension, and this one is 1.35 mm, and this one is 3.2 mm. Now select arc and connect the free ends and put it just beside of the outer edge. Then click OK. Now go to features and select revolve cut. Then select this axis. Then click OK. Now click on reference and select plane. Select this surface and this surface. So a new plane is created at the middle of those. Now select mirror, and this plane is selected already, and select that feature. Now click OK. Now select right plane and go to mirror, then select this feature, then click OK. Now hide plane 2, click on fillet, select this edge. So fillet expert window will pop up, and select all of the corresponding edges. Similarly for this rod also. This side is not selected, so press Ctrl and select these edges. Fillet radius is 0.025 millimeter and click on apply. Select these edges and using fillet expert window, select all of the remaining edges and fillet radius is 0.25 millimeter and click on apply. Now go to appearance, select chrome and go to chrome plate. Now go to file and save as chain outer part. So here is the design of cam sprocket and crank sprocket. So let's start. From file, select new, then part, then click OK. Go to design library, then toolbox, then add in now. Go to JIS, select power transmission, select chain sprocket, right click over this and select create part. Chain number is 35, number of row is 1, number of teeth is 22, then nominal shaft diameter is 17 and the QOA is square 1. Then click OK. The sprocket will be created in another tab. Go on it, right click over this plane and select sketch. Select normal to, then select circle. From center, draw a circle. Draw another circle from the center and click on for construction. The outer circle diameter is 42 millimeter and the inner circle diameter is 25.5 millimeter. Now select circle again and draw a circle at the bottom point. The diameter of it is 8 millimeter. Draw another circle from the same center. The diameter is 11.5 millimeter. Now select center line and connect these centers. Select line and connect the outer circles. The distance from these two lines is 3 millimeter. Then click OK. Select mirror. Then select the line and mirror about the center line. Then click OK. Click on convert entities and select the inner edge. Then click OK. Select trim entities and trim the extra portions between the joints. Select circular sketch pattern. and select the circles as entities and the lines also. The number of pattern will be 6. Then click OK. Now trim the extra portions between the joint. Then click OK. Select feature and select extrude cut. Expand selected contours and select the circles only. Then click OK. Now select extrude, go to the cut feature, then select the sketch. Click on merge result and the extrude will be 2 mm. Then click OK. The similar feature will be in opposite side also. From reference, select plane and select this surface and this surface. So in middle of these two planes, a new plane will be created. Now select mirror and select the new plane to mirror about and select the feature. So the feature will mirror about the mid plane. Now select the edge and select fillet. Using fillet expert, select all of the extruded edges. Similarly for this side also. Now fillet radius will be 0.25 mm. Then click OK. Select appearance, go to metal, select aluminum and select stain finished aluminum. Now from file, select save as and save as camshaft. Now let's draw the crank sprocket in almost similar way. From design library, select toolbox, then add in, select JIS, select power transmission, then change sprocket, right click over this and select create part. The chain number is 35, similar to the previous one. The number of teeth will be half of that, that means 11. And the rest of the items will be similar. It is opened in the new tab. Right click over this plane and select sketch. Now select normal to. Select circle and draw a circle from the origin. Now type the radius 12.75 mm. Then click OK. Select convert entities and select the inner edges. Select feature and then extrude. Extrude 2 mm and click on merge result. Then click OK. From reference, select plane and select this plane and the opposite one. So a new plane will be created in the middle of this. Select mirror and the plane is selected already and select the extruded feature. So in the opposite, similar feature will be created. Now select this edge and using fillet expert, select all of these 3 edges and similar for this side also. Fillet radius is 0.25 millimeter and click OK. From appearance, go to metal, then aluminum, select steam finished aluminum. Now go to file and save as crank sprocket. Now we are going to assemble the alternative power transmission component, which is pulley and belt drive. You can use either sprocket and chain drive or pulley and belt drive as you wish. Starting from the crank pulley, from file, select new, then part, then click OK. Right click over the front plane and select normal to. Right click again and select sketch. Select circle, draw a circle from the origin point. Draw another circle from origin. Select smart dimension. The outer circle is 33.5 millimeter and the inner circle is 32.5 millimeter. Now select center line. Draw a vertical center line from the origin to the outer circle. Now select line and draw a horizontal line from the center line to the inner circle. And then draw an inclined line to the outer circle. Now select smart dimension. The horizontal line is 2.7 millimeter and the angle of inclination is 72.4 degrees. Now click OK. Select mirror entities and select the inclined line and mirror about the center line. Then click OK. Now select trim entities and trim the extra portions. Now click OK. Go to features and select extrude. Extrude 8 millimeter to the mid plane. Then click OK. Expand linear pattern and select circular pattern. Now select this face and click on direction and select this circular profile as direction. Now the number of pattern is 12 and click OK. Now right click over this face and select normal to. Right click again and select sketch. Select circle. Draw a circle from the origin. Draw another circle from the origin. Select smart dimension. The outer circle is 35.5 millimeter. The inner one is 25.75 millimeter. Now go to features and select extrude boss base. Extrude 2 millimeter. Now click on merge result and click OK. Click on mirror. Mirror about the front plane and select this feature. Then click OK. Expand fillet and select chamfer. Select this edge and this edge. The parameter is 3 millimeter and this is 30 degree. Then click OK. Now select this edge and this edge. Now the parameter is 1 millimeter and 50 degree. Now click OK. Right click over this face and select normal to. Right click again and select sketch. Select circle. Draw a circle from the origin. Select center line and draw a vertical center line from the origin point. Now select line. Draw a vertical line and then horizontal line to the center line. Select smart dimension. This circle is 17 millimeter and this line is 2.675 millimeter. This one is 2.5 millimeter. Then click OK. Select mirror. Select this line and this line. Then mirror about the center line. Then click OK. Select trim entities and trim out the extra portion. Go to features, select extrude cut and select through wall. Then click OK. Go to appearance, expand metal, click on aluminum and select stain finish aluminum. From file, select save as. Now save as crank pulley. Now we are going to design the cam sprocket. Right click over the front plane and select normal to. Right click again and select sketch. Select circle and draw a circle from the origin point. Draw another circle. Select smart dimension. The outer circle is 67 millimeter and the inner circle is 65 millimeter. Now click OK. Select center line and draw a center line from the origin to the outer circle. Now select line. Draw a horizontal line from the vertical center line to the inner circle. Select smart dimension and this line is 2.7 millimeter. Now draw a inclined line from this point to the outer circle and the angle is 72.4 degree. This line will be construction line. So select this line and click on construction, then click OK. Click on mirror and select the inclined line and mirror about the center line. Now click on trim entities and trim the extra portions. Then click OK. Now go to features, click on extrude. Extrude 12 millimeter to the midplane. Expand linear pattern and select circular pattern. Select this face and the direction is this edge. The parameter is 24. Then click OK. Now right click over this plane and select normal to. Right click again and select sketch. Select circle. Draw a circle from the origin. Click on for construction. Now draw another circle at the top of the previous circle. Select smart dimension. The larger circle is 39.4 millimeter and the smaller circle is 12.2 millimeter. Then click OK. Expand linear sketch pattern and select circular sketch pattern. Select the larger circle as direction and the smaller circle as entity. Number of entity is 6. Then click OK. Now draw a circle at the middle. Select smart dimension and the diameter of the middle circle is 17 millimeter. Select center line and draw a center line vertically to the origin point. Now select line. Draw a vertical line and horizontal line as a pitch slot. Select smart dimension and the vertical line is 2.675 millimeter. And the horizontal line is 2.5 millimeter. Click on mirror entities. Select both of these lines, mirror about the center line. Then click OK. Then select trim entities and cut out the extra portions. Then click OK. From features, select extrude cut. Select all of the circle. And cut through everything. Then click OK. Right click over this face and select normal to. Right click again and select sketch. Select circle and draw a circle from the origin. Select smart dimension and the circle is 57.6 millimeter. Go to features and select extrude cut. Cut 2 millimeter. Then click OK. Select mirror and mirror about the front plane. Then select this feature. Then click OK. Now from fillet, select chamfer and select this edge and this edge. Parameter is 1.75 millimeter and 45 degrees. Then click OK. Go to appearance. Expand metal. Click on aluminum and select stain finish aluminum. Now save as cam pulley.